Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz around the highly anticipated Oppo Find X8 Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features a sleek and modern design with a glass front and back, and an aluminum frame. It comes in several stunning color variants: black, white, and blue. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The Find X8 Pro is designed to be ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Plus, it boasts an IP68, IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, ensuring durability. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features a large 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1264 x 2780 pixels. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The thin bezels and high screen-to-body ratio contribute to a more immersive experience, and the touch sampling rate ensures that every touch is registered instantly. This is crucial for gamers who need precise and responsive controls. Additionally, the display supports up to 4500 nits peak brightness, enhancing visibility even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. This processor is designed to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the Find X8 Pro can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Let's break down what this means for everyday use. The Dimensity 9400 is built on a 3nm process, making it more power efficient and capable of higher performance. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. For gamers, this chipset promises to deliver high frame rates and reduced latency, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, the AI capabilities of the Dimensity 9400 are enhanced, allowing for better camera performance, smarter voice assistance, and improved battery management. Imagine taking photos with advanced AI features that automatically adjust settings for the best shot, or having a voice assistant that understands and responds to your commands more accurately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features a quad-camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, another 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 6x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide camera. The front camera is a 32MP sensor, optimized for selfies and video calls. With advanced AI capabilities, the camera can automatically adjust settings to capture the best shot in any scenario. Whether you're taking photos in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Find X8 Pro's camera is designed to deliver stunning results. The inclusion of optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Moving on to memory and storage, the Oppo Find X8 Pro comes with multiple configurations. You can choose from 12GB or 16GB of RAM, paired with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of internal storage. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can keep more apps open in the background without experiencing any slowdown. And with up to 1 terabyte of storage, you'll have ample space for all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and large game files. Additionally, the Find X8 Pro supports UFS 4.0 storage, offering faster read and write speeds compared to older storage technologies. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Oppo Find X8 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5910 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 80W wired charging will get you back up and running in no time. Plus, there's 50W wireless charging support for added convenience. With a 5910 mAh battery, you can expect up to 12 hours of screen on time, depending on your usage. And with 80W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging is another great feature, especially if you have a wireless charging pad on your desk or nightstand. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Oppo Find X8 Pro stand out. It includes an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, NFC for contactless payments, and the latest ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. So, there you have it, folks. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive flagship contender with top-of-the-line features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Oppo Find X8 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.